السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. نحمد ونصلي على رسول الكريم أما بعد. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وأن ليس للإنسان إلا ما سعى. Good evening, everyone. A very warm welcome to all present here. Honorable judges, respected teachers, and my dear fellow students. I am extremely overwhelmed to get this opportunity, yearly function of the day. So now, I want to deliver a speech, Quran the guidance for humanity. First of all, let's know its meaning. Humanity means the quality of being human and is defined is as a value that binds all human together. It is the respect of towards others. Dear audience, Quran is the book of guidance for all humanity. Quran is the book of Allah, which is full of miracles. The Quran is not a book of science, but it is a book of science. The Quran is the everlasting and complete book of guidance. Dear audience, Quran it guides all people step by step like that. What is right or wrong? What is eat? How to eat? What is wear? How to wear? And how to live a peaceful life and how to etc. And Quran guides in next ayah Alif Lam Ra كتاب أنزلناه إليك لتخرج الناس من الظلمات إلى النور. Allah Ta'ala said, Quran is my book which you have revealed to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam that you might bring mankind out of darkness into the light by permission of their Lord to the path of exalted in might. Dear audience, but some kind people hurted, polluting, and as the Quran and media is bombarding against Quran. Allah Ta'ala says, these people in this ayah, وَمَا هُوَ إِلَّا ذِكْرٌ لِلْعَالَمِينَ. Dear audience, in next ayah, Allah Ta'ala says, شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن هدى للناس. The month of Ramadan is dead in which the Quran was revealed a guidance to humans and equality book. This verse is not only for Muslims. هدى للمؤمنين هدى للعرب هدى لبني إسرائيل هدى لآد الثمود. No. This ayah is هدى للناس. This ayah guidance for all humanity. Dear audience, Quran the guidance for humanity. Number one, Quran the guidance development. وَلَقَدْ خَلَقْنَا الْإِنسَانَ وَنَعْلَمُ مَا تَوَسْوِسُ بِهِ نَفْسُهُ وَنَحْنُ أَقْرَبُ إِلَيْهِ مِنْ حَبْلِ الْوَرِيدِ. And we created man and we know what his soul whispers to him and them. And Quran the guidance, unity and peace. Allah Ta'ala said, وَأَتَسِمُوا بِحَبْلِ اللَّهِ جَمِيعًا وَلَا تَفَرَّقُوا. And hold firmly to the rope of Allah and do not become divided. And Allah Ta'ala said, لَا إِكْرَاهَ فِي الدِّينِ. Dear audience, there is no doubt, Quran guides all people and human life. And Quran guides all people human life. And next, in shortly, undoubtedly, Quran is not only for Muslims. It guides all human life and animal life. And Quran covers every aspect of life. May Allah make us all to understand and comments it has given in it. Assalamu alaikum.